Give me a moment. Today we are in Terzorio, a beautiful little hamlet in the first hill behind the Santo Stefano al Mare, completely surrounded by olive groves and vineyard. Today I show you a beautiful villa, full of charm, spread in two levels, ready to be furnished for the main level and to the raw states for the second level. This is the main floor. The main floor has under-floor heating and very high quality finishes. On this side, the kitchen with this amazing view over Pompeiana. On this side, the first bathroom. Welcome to the night area. On this side, the first bedroom. On the other side, the second bedroom with a beautiful view, always over Pompeiana. The third bedroom. And this beautiful bathroom. Into the basement, another 180 square meters, ready to be transformed in a second apartment, guest suite, or wherever you want. At the same level, we find also two largest garages, useful, and one of these connected to the apartment. The largest swimming pool is in one of these beautiful terrace and give you a beautiful place with a beautiful view. This beautiful villa comes with 100 olive trees, enough to produce your personal olive oil. The landscape is spread in different levels, terrace, the classic Ligurian landscape that bring peaceful, calm and charm. Today I show you a lovely property in the first hill, full of charm, high surface for the living area, and a beautiful landscape with olive groves and a beautiful swimming pool. This is the view of this lovely property. Find out more information on our website.